Welcome to the Mississippi Board of Pharmacy tutorial on submitting the new student application. On the home page, select the Login or Register Today button to be directed to the login screen. If you have a profile, log in with your username and password. If you have not already created a profile, please click Register to create your profile. For assistance, click on the How to Set Up a Profile tutorial video. Once you have logged in the top right-hand corner, click on Applications, then select New Student Application from the drop-down menu. Please review the information provided for clarity. Then click Next. On the Education section, you will enter your current School of Pharmacy information. Then click Next. On the Discipline section, you will answer yes or no to each question. Be sure to answer each question truthfully. If you answer yes to any of these questions, you will need to upload supporting documentation, for an example expungement, court documents, or adjudications, once the application has been submitted. Then click Next. On the Controlled Substance section, you will answer yes to the question and select Schedules 2 through 5. Then click Next. On the Employer section, if you are currently employed, click on Add to enter your employer's information. If you know your employer's Mississippi Board of Pharmacy permit number, enter the first 5 numbers of the permit and select Search. If you do not know the permit number, you can enter the name, city and state, or permit type. Then click on the Select button next to your employer. Then enter your employment status and start date and select Submit to add the record. Then click Next to proceed. On the Background Check section, it is important that all information is entered correctly to avoid a delay in processing. Be sure to enter your correct mailing address to receive your fingerprint card. On the Verification section, review all information entered and make sure it is correct. If there is an error, click on the previous button to navigate back to the section that needs correcting. After making the corrections, then click Next on the other sections to proceed to the attestation. You must attest that all the information provided is true and that you understand all requirements of the application. Once you have submitted your application, click on the Pay Now button to submit the fees. Then return to your home page, scroll to Applicant Items to view the items needed for further processing. For Applicant Photo, upload a photo of yourself from the shoulders up. Once you have uploaded the picture, the status will be pending until it is manually approved by a member of the licensing department. For proof of enrollment letter, contact your School of Pharmacy and have them to send proof of your enrollment to licensing at mbp.ms.gov.